Hello traders, April 23rd, and these are the stocks I'm looking to get into this morning, depending on the market, depending on how strong the stock presents itself to be, and it's pretty much self-explanatory here. CSX in at around a 56.64 level, stop loss 55.09. I'm going to make this video very brief because YouTube doesn't allow a lot of time to for a video. And ATHR, I'm going to go in and a $2 trailing stop. I studied these. I studied the fundamentals, which is very important in swing trading, as well as technical, which is also extremely important. They're just as important when you're swing trading. No one is more important than the other. CRUS, Slab, Best Buy, 1.5 trailing stop. And the goal of these to be determined market conditions is because these look extremely strong. So I want the market to tell me when to get out. I don't want to set a specific goal. If I see it getting weak, I'll get out. I'll take a small profit. If I see it weak as soon as I get in, if I see that it's showing some weakness, I'll get out right away. I'll take a small loss. The name of the game is not to take a big loss at any time in your career. If you're new, just remember, do not ever, if you don't take a big loss, you'll make it even further, and you're ahead of the pack. So I'm gonna just briefly show charts of why I made these choices, and that's it. I'm gonna keep this video very brief. Okay, the first stock is ATHR. You see the trend line over here in this level. I want to catch it right around 41 bucks. Right after it crosses this level over here, because of this trend line seems to be a little bit of a resistance. So I wanted to penetrate here, and this will then become support if all goes well. Stochastics, MACD, everything looks great on it, and I'm gonna trail it $2 because this stock can shoot for the moon. If it's really strong, it can go really high. I wanna capitalize on it. So that's the first stock. I'm gonna keep it very brief. The second stock I'm looking at is CSX. As you can see by this weekly chart, there's been some resistance over here. These candles here are showing resistance. So I wanted to go above this level in order to show me that it's stronger than these previous candles, and I'm looking for it to get to this level. This level is some sort of recent resistance from not recent, but 2008, showing some resistance here, and I just wanted, I'm gonna take a quick profit over here. It may take a couple of weeks to get to this level over here, but if given the market conditions, the current market conditions, it may not take that long. But who knows? But that's my goal, and that's why I chose the profit that's where I chose the profit level, and this is gonna be my exit right below this line where it's been consolidating. So that's the second pick. The third one is CRUS. As you can see, this seems to be some resistance over here in this level. This is a weekly chart, so I'm gonna wait until it penetrates this level here at around 11. Right after 11, it seems to penetrate the level, and that's where I'm gonna go in. Actually 1095, but I have that there's a round number theory, which kind of rule, not theory but rule, that says you shouldn't enter stocks that are consolidating around the round number. Wait till it breaks through the round number before you go in. So I'm gonna wait, and my first goal is gonna be about 1350. And if it looks strong, then I'll take it to this. The second goal, 15. The third goal is about 18. Depending on the strength of the stock and the strength of the markets, I'll probably scale in or just take quick profits at that time. So that's the other one that I'm looking at. Another one is Slab. As you can see, this is a weekly chart over here. This seems to be a little bit of there seems to be a little bit of resistance here in this area, in this level, from a weekly perspective. This is a double bottom here. This is excellent, and it's confirmed by the stochastics here. The MACD looks excellent. So I'm gonna wait until it penetrates this level, which is around the 70s, around 51, 51.70, and once it goes above this level, it's gonna show me that this is not a very strong resistance line, and we're gonna be good to go on it. My goal with slab, I'm gonna trail it because it looks extremely strong. I'm gonna trail it $2, and let's see. I'm gonna get out at around 51.71, which is right around this level here, 51.71. Sorry, I'm gonna go into the stock over here at 51.71, around this level here, and my goal would be 55.97, which is 55.97. You know, which is going to be these little candles over here. I was looking at the numbers for another stock. I'm not gonna get out before this level over here. I am gonna trail it in case you know, it goes here, it goes below this level. So this is what it is with this stock. I'm gonna go in, trail it $2, and this is gonna be my goal right here at the bottom of these candles over here. The last stock I'm gonna go into, keep it brief, is gonna be Best Buy. Once it goes above this level, I'm sorry, right around this level over here. I really like the formation over here, and I'll look at the conditions this morning, and I'll probably enter it right away. I really like the strength in the stock, and I'm gonna trail it $1.50 and see where it goes. I have some knowledge. I looked at the charts this morning, and pre-market it looks like the stock went down a little bit. So and I'm gonna show you right here time templates, 24 hours, and then let's look at a 15-minute. Yeah, I'm sorry, that was yesterday. After hours, right here. Wait, 16. Yeah, yesterday after hours, it kind of was consolidating up and down, and right now 8 o'clock in the morning is at 47.02. So maybe a good spot to get in. Who knows? But these are the stocks I'm looking at for today.